Have you ever pulled into your driveway and noticed that one side seems lower than the other? Maybe there's a crack that keeps getting bigger, or every time it rains you have water collecting right in front of your garage. Sometimes it's not even something you notice right away. Maybe you just feel that bump every day when you drive in and out, and over time you've just gotten used to it. The problem is, driveways don't get better with age. Once concrete starts to settle, it usually continues moving, and those little annoyances can turn into trip hazards, drainage problems, and expensive repairs. A lot of homeowners think they only have two choices. They either live with it or they rip the whole thing out and replace it. But that's not always true. I'm Justin with Dalinghaus Construction, and today I want to walk you through why driveways sink in the first place, what your repair options are, and why, in many cases, you can restore your existing driveway without tearing everything out. Now, most people think concrete fails because the concrete itself is bad. But honestly, concrete is incredibly strong. Most of the time, the real issue is what you can't see underneath. Your driveway is only as good as the soil supporting it. Over time, that soil changes. It expands when it gets wet and shrinks when it dries out, and sometimes water can wash material away entirely. Little voids begin forming beneath the slab, and when the support underneath disappears, gravity starts doing what gravity does. The concrete settles. Heavy vehicles can make it worse. Poor drainage can make it worse. Temperature changes can make it worse. But ultimately, it's usually the soil underneath that's responsible. So when homeowners ask us, how do I level my driveway? There's really four common options. The first method is mudjacking. This has been around for decades, and there's a good chance you've heard of it. Basically, contractors drill holes through the concrete and pump in a slurry mixture underneath. That mixture fills the empty space and pushes the slab back up. And to be fair, mudjacking works. It's less expensive than replacement, and you don't have to demolish the driveway. But there are a couple of drawbacks. That slurry is heavy, really heavy, and if the soils underneath are already weak, adding thousands of pounds underneath the slab isn't always ideal. Over time, water can erode that material, and sometimes the same problem comes back. It also tends to be messier and less precise than some of the newer methods available today. Another option some homeowners consider is simply putting a fresh layer of asphalt over the existing driveway. An overlay can make things look better and improve the appearance. But here's the problem. It doesn't really address what's happening underneath. If the soil is still moving, the driveway can continue settling and cracking. It's kind of like putting a fresh coat of paint on a wall without fixing the crack behind it. It may look good for a while, but eventually the issue's coming back. Then there's complete replacement. And sometimes replacement absolutely makes sense. If the concrete is badly deteriorated or broken into multiple pieces, or if previous repairs have failed repeatedly, replacement might be the right answer. But replacement is expensive. You're demolishing the existing driveway, hauling away debris, preparing a new base, pouring fresh concrete, waiting for cure time, and dealing with the inconvenience that comes with the whole entire process. It's often the most costly option, and many times homeowners are surprised to learn that they may not need to go that far. That's where polyurethane concrete lifting comes in. At Dalinghaus Construction, this is one of the solutions we use most often because it allows us to lift and stabilize concrete without removing it. Here's how it works. First, we inspect the driveway and determine why it settled. That's important because we don't want to just treat the symptom, we want to understand the cause. Then we drill a few small holes in strategic locations. Through those holes, we inject a high-density polyurethane foam beneath the slab. As the foam expands, it fills the voids underneath and gently raises the concrete back into place. The really amazing part is how precise the process is. We can literally watch the slab move and make adjustments in real time. The foam itself is lightweight, resistant to water, and incredibly durable. Unlike older methods, we're not adding a tremendous amount of weight back into the soil. And one of my favorite things about this process is how fast it is. Homeowners are often amazed that we can complete a repair in hours instead of days. In many cases, you can drive on your driveway again almost immediately. People always ask me, can I do this myself? Technically, there are DIY products available, but concrete lifting is one of those things that looks easier than it really is. The challenge isn't injecting material underneath the slab, the challenge is knowing where to inject, how much pressure to apply, and understanding why the concrete settled in the first place. If you don't address the underlying conditions, you're really just putting a bandage over the problem. That's why diagnosis matters so much. At Dalinghaus, we spend a lot of time educating homeowners because every property is different. Maybe drainage is contributing to the settlement. Maybe expansive soils are involved. Maybe tree roots or erosion are creating voids beneath the concrete. Whatever the cause, understanding the why is just as important as the repair itself. The good news is there are also things you can do to help prevent future problems. Keeping water away from the driveway is huge. Good drainage goes a long way. Sealing cracks before water gets underneath can help preserve the concrete. Catching problems early is always easier and less expensive than waiting until the damage becomes severe. And that's really the biggest takeaway I want you to remember. If your driveway is uneven, cracked, or sinking, don't automatically assume replacement is your only option. In many cases, the concrete itself is perfectly fine. It just needs support underneath. That's exactly what we do every single day. We've helped thousands of homeowners throughout California, Arizona, and Nevada restore their concrete and avoid unnecessary replacement costs. If you're wondering whether your driveway can be saved, we'd be happy to take a look. I'm Justin with Dalinghaus Construction. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like a free inspection, give us a call. We'd love to help you understand what's really happening beneath your home. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.